Three, two, one. We are live. Happy Friday, everybody. Josh Graydock Customs here. And what a beautiful evening we have here. We're going to be doing a live part pop out. And this is a special one. This is a really, really cool part, so I hope it turns out good. I do want to just take a second and say thank everybody for watching. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing to my channels. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to make these parts and to have them go on your personal cars, whether it's race cars, show cars, street cars. It means the world to me, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you for your support. This is a racing wheel disc cover that we're going to be popping out here tonight. And I'm going to show you a little trick that we're going to do here. Got a little air blower. I'm going to blow the air into the vacuum manifold port. Going to see if we can break up some of that top epoxy from the infusion. That was fun, wasn't it? That worked exactly how I was hoping it was going to work. That's great. That's going to make peeling this off way, 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 way easier. Little trick of the trade there, guys, on a Friday night. I don't always do that. I'm going to try to do this in stages just to show you the different layers of the panel. That was fun. Oh, that was a rush, huh? That was pretty cool. So what I got going on here is, this is the infused carbon fiber part. And you can see there's a little bit of clear coat around the outside perimeter. That was our in-mold coating that I used. And this will help us pop it out a little bit easier. Got our vacuum manifold on this side. You can see the resin completely went up to it. Boom, boom, boom. Got our feed side over here. So that is how we set that up. Hold on a second, I can hear my air gun leaking a little bit. There we go. You guys are gonna get to see this before I'm gonna get to see this. So got some fancy plastic wedges here. And I'm gonna start by peeling off the vacuum manifold. That was our membraned vacuum manifold, and you can see on the inside there, it's just some spiral wrap tubing. But this membrane allows air to pass through, but not resin. So when I design my parts, you can see that the resin runs across the part. It ends up hitting our vacuum manifold here and then lightly bleeding off into it. But at that point, it's pretty much done. The resin infusion is already set to rock and roll, and that's just whatever is left in the line is kind of forcing its way through it, and it stops as soon as it hits that vacuum manifold. So that's why I do it that way. My catch can does not get full of resin whatsoever. Here's our resin feed line, and this is spiral wrap that I just cover in a cloth so it releases nice and easy, and the bag doesn't get stuck in there. Matomatic 159. Happy Friday, my friend. We're doing a live pop out. Say that 10 times fast. And I'm just going through the different layers. I took off the vacuum manifold, the input side. Next is the peel ply layer, or in this case, we've got a couple different types of pliers here. So this layer of peel ply I put on the vacuum manifold side, and it helps pull a good vacuum on your part. It's a really good air transference film, and so it'll keep a good air channel between the resin and the vacuum manifold. Dyer 949 FXRS 26. Happy Friday, my friend. I gotta get down here and wave. I'm trying to hit the button, guys. There we go. Here we go is this is a release film slash, I don't know what you want to call it, a perforated release film, so resin will actually go through this. This is also the flow media. I might need a wedge to actually separate this. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. So this is my perforated release film. It's got little tiny holes in there that the resin actually flows through it. And so here on my mold, you can see the clear coat around the perimeter. I put my clear coat running all the way out to the edge of the flange where my gum tape is going to be. And that helps me keep the mold surface very, very, very clean. Very, very clean. And what it also helps do is when I'm going to pop the part out here with the wedges, it's easier to slide underneath that because it's already underneath the part. So that's another reason. It's another reason I do it like I do it. Some guys don't use the in-mold clear coat. I've always had really good luck with in-mold clear coat myself. Just working my way around the perimeter right now. I thought this might just pop out on its own. I might hit it with a little bit of air just to see if it will. Nope, not quite. That's okay. This part's a pretty simple shape, so it pops out very, very, very easy. And you guys are going to see it before I see it. So you're going to have to tell me what it looks like. This is where we know if our work paid off or not. Boom. Does it look good? I'm really nervous. Oh yeah, that looks fantastic, doesn't it? That's awesome. That's how it's done, kids. That is how it's done. Got a little fabric distortion here and there, but you know, I think this one's better than the first one I ran, actually. I think it's just a little bit better. Pretty darn cool. Pretty darn cool. So there you go. There's your Friday night fun live part pop-out vid. Keep rocking and rolling, guys. Have a good one. And keep fighting. Keep fighting. I will catch you guys all later.